Welcome back to the channel, Cedar Sky Designs. Check out these 3 woodworking tips I have for you today. Alright, tip number 1, guys. Check this out. So, you guys have anything that you hang on the wall ever, like pictures or any kind of tool sets or whatnot, or battery holders? So, see these tabs right here? We're always, trying to measure, lining it up like that. So, quick and easy tip for that would be to just get some tape. Be painter's tape or any kind of tape, really. Put it over the slots here, okay? And then just poke a hole right where you would, have your screw line up, just like so. Then you can transfer this right from the tape onto the wall, screw your 2 screws in, and it would be perfect alignment with those holes. Alright guys, tip number 2, check this out. So, you ever want to find the center of a board, and the measurement is, one that you would have to divide. So in this instance, it's 3 3/8. Okay? As opposed to trying to find that out with a calculator or by complex division, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the next whole number here, which is 4. Okay? And you're going to roll your tape up until that line hits the 4 right there. Okay? And half of 4 is 2, so that must mean the center of your board is right there. So that's a quick and easy tip. As opposed to doing division, quick and easy way to find center of the board. Also, if we want to check it as well, we're at 1 3/4. 1 3/4. So, perfect center every time. Alright guys, tip number 3, especially for you new DIYers, I suggest investing in one of these guys. It's a speed square. Okay, so you've got multiple pieces here, 2x4s or other pieces of lumber that you want at the same length. So, in this instance, say like, okay, so you'd mark it at 5 inches. Suppose to taking obviously, a line for each 2x, and you can combo them together. Okay, just butt up the 2 joints there. And strike your line. And then you'll have, a perfect measurement, for both pieces. And they make these speed squares too. They make these pretty huge to where you could do, 4 or 5 2x4s at a time. That way. So, quick and easy tip onto, taking less measurements and being more productive in the shop. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed those 3 DIY tips and tricks. Again, I'll have some more content coming out here shortly, so stay tuned. Again, too, if you'd like, please feel free to leave a comment below with feedback and possibly other videos you might like to see along the way.